Hello, my name is David Eaton, and this is a tutorial on how to set up TrafficBrowser for Ubuntu Linux. Alright, first off, TrafficBrowser does not natively run in Ubuntu. It has to have some kind of emulator software to get it to run. I've been testing out some software from CodeWeavers. Those, if you don't know CodeWeavers, those are the people who kind of invented wine, as far as I know. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but they're the ones that are improving on wine. Wine is a free program. CodeWeavers Crossover is not a free program. This does cost $59, but if you kind of check out codeweavers.com from time to time, they do run discounts where you can buy it like for $10 or $20, or just certain times of year they have different promotions. I would watch this site closely if you're wanting to snag Crossover pretty cheap. Alright, with that said, I have installed on this machine, I installed Crossover for Linux. Let me go ahead and open that up. Here we go. Alright, to get it to run, we have to create a bottle. A bottle is like a little virtual machine inside of Linux. Let's go ahead and add a bottle. Let's just call this TrafficBrowser. You can call it anything you want, as long as you know which bottle you're talking about. On the new bottle type, I found that Windows XP runs pretty well. So let's just go ahead and create this bottle. Alright, now that I got my bottle set up, I need to install a few applications. So what I'm going to do is install some software that already comes included with Crossover, or can download it. So the first thing we need is that we need the Microsoft.NET 4.0. So we're going to click Install Software. I'm just going to type Microsoft. .NET, and we're going to click the 4.0, and then we're going to install it. And I will make sure to time-lapse this, so you're not sitting here for, I think this takes about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, that actually took about 2 minutes. Wasn't very long at all. Alright, now that we have 4.0 installed, we need to install GDI. So let's install that now. Type GDI. And we're going to install it in this bottle. Okay, that was fairly quick. Now we're going to need to download TrafficBrowser. And we're going to go here. I already have this pulled up. Click Downloads, and we're going to download, even though it says Windows only, XP, we're going to go ahead and download this one. I have already downloaded it, just to kind of quicken up the video a little bit. I'm going to pull it from my library and put it on my desktop. Just going to close all these out. And close those tabs. from here, I'm just going to double click just like I do in Windows. Okay, it's going to bring up the installer, or I could have clicked install software. But it already has this on the desktop and the paths. So I need to, if you don't already have this, you're going to have to choose, let's see, proceed. This form, let's say other software, and then you click the software you want to install, or you can just double click on it. We need to select the bottle that we want to install, and we're going to install on the Windows XP bottle with TrafficBrowser. Click proceed, and we have to let it know what kind of software this is, if it's already in a list or not, and we're going to click other application. There we go. Now we have the install button. We're going to click install, and here's TrafficBrowser. We're just going to install it just like we do on Windows. Put a desktop icon and install. And we're going to launch TrafficBrowser. We're going to minimize this. It'll stop in a minute. Log in. Actually, let's just cancel this. That should complete the install. And there it is. And there is the link to TrafficBrowser. And looks like we're done here. Let's go ahead and close all that out. Right, I can move that off so I don't have to show it on the screen. I can put this wherever I want it, and when I want to go into TrafficBrowser, just double click into it. Let's actually see it load up. And there we go. We have TrafficBrowser on Ubuntu. My name is David Eaton, and thank you for watching.